Good morning. This is the Chalk Master. I appear a bit tired today, but I'm okay, and I hope you're okay also wherever you might be. Thank you very much to all the people who have subscribed to my channel. I know it's small, but with hope we shall move on and push on. I have all the hope that we will grow the way how other people grow. You know, and a baby, is born, it has to undergo some kind of steps for it to become a human. So the same thing is happening to this channel. So I say thank you so much for all the people who have subscribed to my channel, and I hope all those people who are watching but have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. As I've already said, my name is the Chalk Master, and I'm coming to you from Lilongwe, Malawi. Today we'll proceed to the second site. We are in the farming season, so I am going to check on the progress at the second farming place, and then but also I'm going to have a chance of buying a piece of land which I would like to add to that second site where I am. I am in Lilongwe right now, and this is where I am. I'm actually processing some documents here, and after processing the documents, I think I will be able to leave and then go with you wherever that I'm going. Once again, I'd like to urge you all to check on the video which I posted regarding the 10,000-year-old treasure, which is a hidden treasure here in Malawi. It's something so unique. It's something that we people have not made noise about, but I think it's high time that we made noise about this, and then we show people that we have so many interesting things in this country. I know most of you Malawi is one of the poorest countries in Africa. Yes. On the GDP index per capita, I think it has to be number 4 from the bottom in the world. It's number 4 from the bottom in the world. And presently we are not doing good either. We are not doing economically. We are not doing good either. So, but we are hardworking people. We work hard, and Hello guys, we are here at the farm, the second farm, but it's impossible for me to film because there is rain. As I'm talking to you now, it's drizzling. I've gone into the rain. I'm trying to go and meet the people who are about to sell us land, but also we got some land here, so I'd like to meet these guys. Some people are about to start working on a part which is remaining, which hasn't been done yet, and we just bought this land last month, and this is what we are trying to do. So as you can see, this is another plot of land belonging to somebody else. Mine is up there. Yes, I hope that maybe if I can zoom in, you'll be able to see people somewhere. There. Yes, there are people there. There are people there. So I think we'll be able to see them. Sorry, I was trying to zoom out, and then it backfired on me. Yes, it's a bit drizzly, so I want to go and see what actually is happening. This is a very, very wide area. If you can look into that direction, if I zoom in, you see some houses there. That is a Roman Catholic secondary school. And if you look down there, you see it's a trading center. Yes, for this area. And the Roman Catholic secondary school is a very good, newly built, very good establishment. I hear that they want to put a university here. They want to put what they call, I'm not a Roman Catholic, but I hear a parish and some things like that. Sure, because of the rain, I'm sorry I have to cut here because my phone is not waterproof. So I think I'll see you on the other side.